everyone, I'm Jesse Adler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be seeing what's inside of this weed whacker. So first, I just plugged it into the wall. Let's see if it works. It doesn't have any sort of blade on it or anything. So you can see that's the thing right there. Definitely seems to be working. So yeah, let's see what's inside. So I just opened it up, prying it open with some pliers, and you can see there's the motor, and there's a cooling kind of fan thing there, and then that is a little cog that goes on to there, which spins this, and it's actually metal. That's kind of cool. Down there you can see where the brushes are. It's a brushed motor, and the wire goes all the way up there to the controls. I don't know if you guys could see there, but I've undone all the screws for this part. I'm having a hard time getting it off because this handle is holding it together. But I was managing to open up this side, and you can see that that's a really cool mechanism for the trigger. Let's see if I can. Ow! Not sure I can hold the phone and do this. There we go. I held it open with my screwdriver, so you can see that when I pull this trigger, it presses one of those momentary switches down there. I don't know if you can see that very well. There we go. Yeah, so that's quite cool. That's what makes that cool clicking noise. Over here, it looks like there's that one switch. There's some wires going around. It looks like here's where the power goes in. But yeah, pretty cool. So in a few minutes off camera, I finally got that out with a ton of prying from some different tools. So now I'm gonna try to see what this is that's holding it together. So I just realized why I was not able to open up, and I feel not very smart. There was one screw still in there. I got the screw out, and I was gonna continue filming and show you guys the rest of this. But my phone died, and it's been a few days. I forgot to film more. But basically, here's the inside. There was a spring in there. There's a little spring there. That's the trigger. I think I already showed you how it worked. Pretty cool. That's the weed whacker head. Big gear in there with some dirty ball bearings. That's the tube, and I'll go inside and show you the motor. I'm inside, and here's the motor. You can see there it spins a little kind of fan wheel, and then there's a nice big metal gear. There's some bearings, dirty bearings. There you can see the brushes and the commutator. Some windings to create the magnetic poles, windings on the inside, and shaft that goes down it all. But yeah, pretty cool. It has this cord that's kind of wrapped up, and then I just chopped it off at the end. It runs on 120 volts AC, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a brushed AC motor. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Please check out playlist up there for what's inside to check out other cool videos about this. Video down there, and subscribe over there. Bye.